have I got something new for you? Stay with me. Hey guys! So I wanted to make a video to showcase a tool I have came across. This tool honestly is so easy to use, and if I'm going to be completely honest, the lip sync quality with this tool is very impressive, along with all its features. I'm talking about Dzine. Dzine is an all-in-one platform and very generous with credits that will allow you to create images, video, and lip sync them all into your own music video. This tool honestly is the easiest tool and has some awesome features. Their plans are reasonable and very cheap, and you can sign up for an account by clicking my link in the description below. Anyways, let's take a look at Dzine and its features. Using this tool gives you another great tool to add to your AI inventory. OpenArt will always be my strong go-to, but honestly, this is definitely worth taking a look at. So let's click on AI Tools. You have image-to-image, chat editor, consistent characters, lip syncing, and so much cool stuff. For this video, we are going to focus on testing the lip sync feature. So first, let's create our character. Let's click Text to Image, and now let's choose our model. There are so many options to choose from, but we are going to choose Flux. Okay, great. Let's characterize our character. So let's type into the prompt a close-up portrait of a young woman with striking light blue eyes and a confident expression. She has long, dark brown hair styled in a high, sleek ponytail, with two small, delicate strands framing her face. Her makeup is glamorous, featuring bold, arched eyebrows, dark eyeliner, voluminous lashes, and glossy nude lips. She is wearing a white athletic jacket with a high collar and black zipper, with subtle branding on the collar. The background is blurred with a cityscape of tall buildings, giving an urban, modern vibe to the image. The lighting is soft and even, highlighting her facial features and smooth skin. And let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and we are going to keep the generation mode at normal. And then we are going to hit Generate. Here are the results. Okay, they look awesome. So now we have many features under our images to be able to use. Say for instance, if we went with this one that we liked and we click the variation, then it's going to recreate the same image in the same style, but with slightly different looking facial features. There are also many other features, like turning your clip into an AI video. So let's click one. This has now took us to the AI video tool, and we can select our model. And if you hover over each model, it will say what the model is capable of, along with how many credits per 5-second generation. So let's go with something simple. Let's use Grok Imagine. And now, let's type into the prompt what we would like our video to do. So I'm going to type, "The camera slowly zooms out as she is looking into the lens, not saying a word, just staring." Then click Generate. Okay, let's view the result. And it came out good! I'm happy with that. But now I want her to be lip-synced. So, under our newly generated video, click on Lip Sync, and it will take you to the lip syncing tool. And here we can select our face. If it hasn't already chosen the face, then you can manually mark where the face is. Okay, then we click Next. Now we have a timeline that is ready for 5 seconds of audio. I have already prepared a 5-second audio clip, and if you have not got one yourself, then I have a video on Suno and how you can create your own music that you can check out. Okay, so we have our video in, and now it says to pick a voice. You do have the option to type text and choose a voice, but this is a music video tutorial, so let's click Upload Audio. And then I'm going to upload my audio. Now finally, I'm going to ensure it is all lined up and in the same time as the video clip, and I'm going to click Generate. Okay, let's view the final result.
See you over there, chilling across the room.
That is honestly awesome. Great results for a video generation. But let's take a look at how the lip syncing an image feature works. So let's go back to our text to image. Now find our original image and let's click lip sync. We have now loaded in our image. So before we had a video that we could only do 5-second audio clips with, as the video itself was 5 seconds. But with an image, it's different. We can have even more control and the ability to make our clips even longer. So I have prepared a 10-second audio clip for this. I'm going to make sure the face is selected, and I'm going to click Next. Now the original is already 16 by 9, so I'm going to select Keep Original. If yours is not, then you can choose 16 by 9. Now I'm going to click Pick a Voice, and I'm going to upload my 10-second audio. I'm going to select Pro as the option for better movement and clarity. Then the output we are going to set to 720p. And then we are going to click Generate. Okay, let's preview this.
Oh, go and tease me, boy.
Absolutely
I wanna
awesome.
please you, boy. You make me go crazy, but I can't have you 'cause you.
I'm very impressed. If you liked this video, then please leave a like and a comment. And if you are new here, then welcome. I'm Sky. I create everything and anything AI. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for many more tutorials that I will be releasing soon. If you like music, then check my channel. I have myself in many music videos. Show them some love, guys. I would really appreciate it. As always, guys, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Your comments and likes and feedback are what keeps me going and continuing to make these tutorials for you guys. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love you all, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.